Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibongs igama lami Nkosi. Ngithemba ukuthi ni kahle, niyaphila. Ngaphambi kokuthi ngiqale, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Kodwa ke uma subscribeile, please don't forget to leave a like on the video. Ngabonga kakhulu. Futhi ngingawenza umkhulu umehluko. Tanko. Asivele sihlala udabini. We know very well ukuthi eNaturena we are in need of our players, but while in need of players, there are players that can be converted to playing those positions that I think we need to beef up so that you can become a solid team, especially a TM, right winger, and an attacking midfield. We have 3 players in Nature that can be converted and play that position, but it all lies within the coach. Are they brave enough to convert the players, or it's just they have to go on the market and see who can they sign so that they can bolster their squad? But ngokwazi kwethu, converting a player is not easy, and obviously hoping very well if that player is converted, you hope ukuthi ispan uzosishaya, but manga shayang, it becomes even more worse because kuba ngazathi what we're doing ayisaphumeleli. We know very well ukuthi ku-DM we have a player like uSibongiseni Mthethwa. I think okwamanje ngathi usalimele, that's why besiloko sibona uGeorge Matlow and uMaboy playing that position bashintshana as number 6. So we ucele naye njengoba bebamsideline because of indaba yokuthi he's questioning ama-tactics waka-coach. So now knowing very well ukuthi there's a player in Nature that can be converted and play as a number 6, but to be honest, I don't think Uti uzokwazi ukuyidlala leya position, because according to his agent, Paul Mitchell, he said Uti uFrozler can play as a 6 because obviously as a defender, defensive vele is your first priority. Nakanjani, it will be easier ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala number 6 because we are defensive minded. But for a player like uFrozler, while we know very well with even Nagu right back position is not that defensively solid. It's just Njoguti, he's good when it comes to anticipation. He knows, okay, there will be danger. Let me go there. So it's all about Gutiena. He's good when it comes to tactical awareness and a tactical positioning, because he knows very well Guti, if ever I'm deployed to play in this space, this is what I must do. But one thing engibona ukuthi ngathi izomkhahlela, I think it's going to be discipline. Discipline ingambulala because as a number 6, you can play as a DM, but if you can't be disciplined in making sure that you don't leave your defense vulnerable in counter-attacks, whereby if you find your full backs overlapping, and then obviously mele uslote in so that nibe 3. But for a player like uFrozler that enjoys moving forward, is going to cost the team, because if I might say I beg to differ, instead of playing as a DM, I think he can play better as a number 8, as a central midfielder. We saw that he once played as a central midfielder during the tenure of Ernst Middendorp, Umazinho. We know very well I remember that game very well. We were playing against Mamelodi Sundowns, FNB basihlaba ngo-1-0 ngegoli elihle nje elize ngoGaston Serino washaya i-backheel la kumshishi waqedelela. So into engasho nje ukuthi I don't know ukuthi it was umshishi uyoshaya i-backheel bese wakora Serino, but in that game he was playing as a number 6 and he was able ukuthi akwazi ukuya phambili with the ball. And one thing about him is the technique. Technique unayo, and it allows the team, especially if we can play ama counter-attacks. Long balls work, we know very well they are very accurate, and also in terms of passing, he's very accurate. Ngaba lula for us to transition, especially if we are playing against a team that forces us to shy in a low block and then we play in moments. But as a number 6, it's going to be difficult. But as a central midfield, I think that's where he can at least show us something which he is capable. Because nalapho number 8 is not that good to perfect to work, because you know with Lapana you must be able to regulate the play, must be able to control the tempo. You must be the one that allows the team with idlale, and you must be able whenever we attack you also join in so that you can be able to score more goals. but for him as a 6, I don't see it as beneficial as Michel thinks it can be for the club because of its discipline ngamkhahlela. Because ukuprove ukuthi that can happen ukuthi we can see from a player like Trent Alexander-Arnold. Trent is a right back, is a defender that cannot defend, engakwazi ukudefend. But there are times whereby ukuthi ku-England bebamdlalisa as a central midfield and he was able to play there because he knows ukuthi there's no much stress ukuthi I must focus on the defensive duties, but I focus on making sure ukuthi the team attacks, we play, we control the tempo. And also another example, Reece James from Chelsea. Now he can be used as a central midfielder with Chelsea. Mababona ukuthi okay, so dinga ukuthi asidlalele lapha because it's more easier than as a DM, because with DM you know very well ukuthi it needs a lot, it demands compared to a number 8, because number 8 is all about football intellect phela. Must use your football IQ and then everything falls into place. That's why mawubona uPedri, many people bazokhala ukuthi no, uPedri is just ukuthi ulokushaya ama-10, but it's all about understanding ukuthi when we are playing with this team, these are the things I must do in order ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngi-allow i-team. If we have to position ourselves whereby ukuthi sizoba kuma-positions la kumele bakore khona abo-Yamal, abo-Rafinha, abo-Lewandowski, it's all about that. But as a DM, there's a lot that needs to be done there. Kumele ukwazi ukudefenda, kumele ukwazi ukuba-dictator. So for uFrozler, angikuboni ukulunga, but bangamzama, mangazi nina nibona kanjani, but I think as a central midfielder, yeah, that's where it can be beneficial compared to a DM. And then there's another player. uSolomons. Solomons, Gumoroka Swallows was playing as a winger, but makafike eTurena bamenza right back, wabe right wing back. So now people are saying ukuthi akuyiswe uSolomons ku right winger bese kudlaliswa uMonyane as a right back. So I don't know ukuthi they are trying ukuthi bayenze competition ibe less for uFrozler ukuthi at least bazoba yi2 abazocompete manje as ama right back, or is because they saw ukuthi is capable to play as a winger, because as a winger uSolomon can be giving us more than masibona another player playing there, because his pace yakhe he's able to use it ngendlela le calculated, because kuma 1v1 he's very good, uyakwazi ukukhatha into engichaza ukuthi as a right footer playing ku right angeke ayenze into enokuyenza uVila ngazo. Every time akhatha and uzofuna ukushaya na kanjani kumele akwazi ukushaya ama 1-2s, ashaye nje ama 1-2s with iplayer lakhe, or ashama return ball kube simple ukungena eboxini score, or afaka ama crosses, because sesiyabo ukuthi nama cross ayakwazi ukuwafaka. But into emele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi there's something I'm a bit skeptical about uSolomon. uSolomon's first touch yakhe akakabi clean, and makule position udinga ukuthi ibe clean, because once bakushaya nge-diagonal ball belenze sure ukuthi you trap knowing very well ukuthi this is the direction I'm heading in, because uzosana ukuthi uyalitrappa bump phambi kwakhe sekudiyeleke in i-attack. But as a winger I think he can also profit us as a club. But now makuthathwa uSolomon adlala ku right wing, it simply means ukuthi paper 2 umfuno Vilakazi uya ku number 10. That's the role abantu abaningi bafuna ukuthi ayidlale, because they see ukuthi he can be more effective as a number 10 compared to a winger, because they know very well ukuthi he can penetrate, he's more direct, and obviously every time akazodlala bhekane neball it becomes easier for him ukuthi akwazi ukushoota, because uyathanda ukushoota. But makase sidini kumele abhekane nento eningi, but into esazomkhahlela even nanoma ngayiswa ku number 10 is going to be decision making, because as a number 10 kumele ube ne balance, you must have skill, and you must have a technique right, and you must make sure that you are the one that allows your teammate ukuthi bakwazi ukuzipositiona in the box, because who uzoza ne final pass that is going to give an assist to our strikers. And njoba sibabona manje abafana bethu, I think samele bahlaliswe phansi bakhunjuzwe bafethu, it's not like manje ngathi nikhohle ukuthi nidlalelani, ake nikhohle ama camera and focus ukuthi in benefit club, because lento yabo kungafuna ukuphasa, I don't know ukuthi bayenza on purpose or is because manje sebabona ngazathi no siziphethe yithi, but angeke siba criticize because they are still young, but mele bafunde, because bazothi mabaphaphama 5 years down the drain ayikho into ephathekayo bangasho ukuthi bayiyenzile. Yabo, besides ukuthi sayiwinisa i-Chiefs i-cup, we were part of the generation that broke the curse, that ended the curse ukuthi no manje indaba ye-10 years. But besides lokho, I think as a number 10 with Serino showing him the ropes, it can be easier for him because they have that relationship. Kungaba simple ukuthi akwazi ukumkhomba ukuthi no, this is how you play the position. If ufuna ukubheka, look at ama players abafana nabo Mshishi, if abroad khona ama players kumele ubabheke, Martin Odegaard, yabo, players like that you can easily determine ukuthi okay, now kumele ngenze so na so. But manje if everyone play for spotlight, iya cloud leyo nto leyo because ugcina ungasaboni kahle. But converting these players can also benefit the club. I don't know ukuthi nina nikubona kanjani, but I think good if the coaches are brave enough. But nakhona is not a must. It's not mandatory ukuthi baba convert, but if the opportunity comes ukuthi basign ama players, then asinankinga ngeke sicomplain because obvious ku-attacking midfield kusesene player elifana no-Ethan Chislet esingakamboni ungakadlaliswa, yabo. We have Serino there, we have players abafana nabo Shabalala. uNgcobo vele sesacceptile ngathi he plays better as a number 8, but logo kunye then go for Solomons playing lapha ku right winger. Hayi kusazoba mnandi natural, but we don't know, it all depends on the coaches. But ningakhohlwa ke ukuthi ikhozi alipheli moya.